Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm eating Pizza Hut. Woo woo! I've not had Pizza Hut for months and months and months and months on my channel, and I was just craving it so much. I saw that they are now doing a Christmas pizza, so I had to get it. The wrapping is all Christmassy, the packaging. I'm really just gonna get into it. I've also got a Pepsi, guys. I have no ice, so without the ice, guys. So let's just put these down so I can do my drink and then we can get the food out. I'm so hungry. So hungry. Right, so let's go, guys. I went for full fat Pepsi because, you know what? I've been so good with my eating plan, my diet. Today's a cheat day, so let's go. Not the same without ice, but whatever. Let's get the pizza opened. Oh my God! This is the pizza, guys. Can you see? I'm going to read out what is actually in it. Let me just take... and then next we have... These are the fajita chicken chunks. These are new. With some sour cream and chive dip. And then I've got some garlic bread. Now, I know you guys know I don't like garlic bread, but I really like Pizza Hut's garlic bread. I don't know why, but I do. So let's get everything situated and I'll be back. Oh, I'm so hungry. So let's go for the first bite. So, right, guys. So the pizza has rotisserie chicken, bacon, red wine gravy sauce. It has sage and onion stuffing and cheese, and I'm so excited to eat this. I'm going to go in for a slice right now. Let's go for the first bite. Oh my God. Okay. Sour cream and chive dip. So good. Barbecue. I did order garlic sauce, but it's not here. Look at that, guys. Well. Oh my God, these are amazing. The Pepsi is okay because it is cold. It's ice cold, so it's not too bad. Yum. It does taste really good. It tastes very... It's just like a chicken and bacon pizza, but with stuffing. Now, you lot might not know what stuffing is. It's like... American people might not know. Or you might do. It's like a... it's hard to describe. It's like a I'll try and put it up, guys. It's hard. It's like a stuffing. It's like like wheat, or is it? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm not going to sit here and say I know, but I'll pop it up on the screen. Garlic bread. I go. There's something about this garlic bread that I really like. It's slightly stronger than usual today, though. Oh my god, this is so good. So good. Oh my god, this chicken. I love stuffing. I really do. Wow. I'm kind of going in a food coma, guys. This is so good. Wow. What's your favourite pizza, guys? Let me know in the comments. I actually prefer Pizza Hut because I love the base. It's just so like oily. I love an oily base. I'm getting so full now. Pizza fills me up so much. I can never eat a full pizza. Never. And you guys, let me know. Guys, this might be my last slice because I'm so full. I've eaten half. It's so filling. What do you think, guys? So good. I hope you're all enjoying my 4K quality. I can't believe it. It's so good. It's the highest quality. One bad thing about it is you can kind of see every imperfection. So it's like, at least when it's a bit more pixelated, you can kind of create more of a kind of illusion. Whereas this is, it's like, everything's just like there. It's like just there. Oh my god, I'm so full. So good. Guys, I'm going to go now. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the pizza. Let me know if you've tried this new Christmas pizza. Let me know what your favourite pizza is at Pizza Hut. What do you prefer, Pizza Hut, Papa John's, Domino's? Let me know in the comments. I love you all so much, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you like it. I also have a membership area, guys. If you want to subscribe to that, you can do. It would mean the world to me. I make exclusive content on there for you guys to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.